Hey everyone, it's Kelly from Die DIY, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your very own die recording images exactly like these ones using the free templates and the free Procion hex color codes that I have made for you. So to start off with, you'll need to have this post open on Die DIY. It contains all of the Dharma Procion die hex color codes so you can put the colors into your recording very easily. And there will be a link directly to this in the video description. You'll also need the template for the pins that will be in the post. I'll open it with this link here, and I'll also put this link with the video too. Once this is open, just click on Use Template. And if you haven't got a free Canva account, you can sign up pretty easily or just log in. Okay, so now you have everything you need to make your own templates, and I'll walk you through how to do one. I'm going to record a die that has 3 colors, so I will copy this post and then I will add my own image to it. So if you go over here to Uploads, upload your media, find the picture that you want, and once that's uploaded you can drag it over here and it will fill up that picture there. Now this is a spiral, so I'm going to change that to liquid spiral. And now it's time to edit the colors. I might just zoom in a little bit for that, just to make it a bit easier. And then you come back to the post and find the colors that you used. So scroll down here. I used lemon yellow, so I will just copy that. Bring it over here and I'll replace the text here with that. Now this code here is a hex code for lemon yellow, so I can copy that, click on the pink, click up here to change the color, and then paste that in, and there we go. That's lemon yellow, and I might just change that text to black because it doesn't really stand out there. There we go, done. All right, next up will be magenta. So we'll go back here, no, fuchsia, sorry, I always call it magenta. So fuchsia red. I'll put that in there, paste, and then I will get the hex code for fuchsia. It's such a hard word to say. And I will change that purple there to that. All right, so now we'll go and get the code for the last color, which is turquoise. Scroll down a little bit, that's right there. And we'll copy that over. Replace the text first and then change the color. Just get that code. And there you go. We zoom out, we can see the whole thing. So I now have a lovely image that has the colors that I used with a photo of how they ended up and what I actually did to make this. So you can use these in whatever way you like. Basically, you can have a folder of them on your computer. I am building a board on Pinterest with all of mine. And if you have designs with more colors, just scroll on down. We have some with extra colors and also some blank ones with up to 8 colors. So you can record pretty much anything here. And once you get the hang of Canva, it's really, really easy to use and you'll feel pretty confident moving everything around and making it your own. So I hope these are really, really useful to you and you find lots of ways to use these to record things and stop forgetting what colors you have used, like I have done many, many times in the past. Please like the video if you have enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more great tie-dyeing stuff. And let me know if you use any of these, send me the links, I'll share them if you want, whatever. All right, enjoy and happy tie-dyeing.